ISTE Standards for Teachers, final presentation by Savannah Giesland. The table of contents. Here are the 5 ISTE standards for teachers. Number 1, facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. Number 2, design and develop digital age learning experience and assessments. Number 3, model digital age work and learning. Number 4, promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. And number 5, engage in professional growth and leadership. Number 1, facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity. Teachers use their knowledge of subject matter, teaching and learning, and technology to facilitate experiences that advance student learning, creativity, and innovation in both face-to-face and virtual environments. A. Promote, support, and model creative and innovative thinking and inventiveness. B. Engage students in exploring real-world issues and solving authentic problems using digital tools and resources. C. They also promote student reflection using collaborative tools to reveal and clarify students' conceptual understanding and thinking, planning, and creative processes. And D. They model collaborative knowledge construction by engaging in learning with students, colleagues, and others in face-to-face and virtual environments. The question, how did your work in this course prepare you to facilitate and inspire student learning and creativity? My work throughout this course has prepared me to facilitate and inspire students' learning and creativity by knowing and understanding students' environments. I use my knowledge to my best ability to create creative assignments for my students due to the work in this course. Here are 3 examples of how I became proficient in this standard. Number 1, keeping weekly discussions with other classmates to see their opinions. Number 2, keeping myself up to date with technology. And number 3, completing assignments that involve discovering technology updates. Moving on to the second standard, design and develop digital age learning experiences and assessments. Teachers design, develop, and evaluate authentic learning experiences and assessments, incorporating contemporary tools and resources to maximize content learning in context and to develop the knowledge, skills, and attitudes identified in the standards. A. Design or adapt relevant learning experiences that incorporate digital tools and resources to know the learning and creativity. B. Develop technology-enriched learning environments that enable all students to pursue their individual courses and become active participants in setting their own educational goals, managing their own learning, and assessing their own progress. C. Customize and personalize learning activities to address students' diverse learning styles, working strategies, and abilities using digital tools and resources. Also, D. Provide students with multiple and varied formative and summative assessments aligned with content and technology standards and use resulting data to inform learning and technology. The question, how did your work in this course prepare you to design and develop digital age learning experience and assessments? My work in this course prepared me to design and develop digital age learning experience and assessments by challenging me to explore technology in ways I had never had before. Learning these new skills will be something I use when teaching in the future. Here are 3 examples of how I became proficient in this standard. Number 1, the assignments involving Weebly. Number 2, the assignments involving Screencast-O-Matic. Number 3, discussion posts seeing how other students are learning and developing digital age experiences. The third standard, model digital age work and learning. Teachers exhibit knowledge, skills, work, and an innovative professional in a global and digital setting. A. Demonstrate fluency in technology systems and the transfer of current knowledge to new technology and situations. B. Collaborate with students, peers, parents, and community members using digital tools and resources to support student success and innovation. C. Communication relevant information and ideas effectively to students, parents, and peers using a variety of digital age media and formats. And D. They model and facilitate effective use of current and emerging digital tools to locate, analyze, evaluate, and use information resources to support research and learning. The question, how did your work in this course prepare you to model digital age work and learning? My work throughout this course prepared me to model digital age work and learning by the simple fact that this course was offered on an online setting. Working everything on a computer really gave me a better understanding of technology overall. Here are 3 examples of how I became proficient in this standard? 1. The different technology sources that were required. 2. My current job outside of this course. And 3. Having to create and make my own website. Moving on to number 4. Promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility. Teachers understanding societal issues and responsibilities involving digital culture and exhibit legal and ethical behavior in their professional practices. A. Advocate, model, and teach safe, legal, and ethical use of digital information and technology, including respect for copyright, intellectual property, and appropriate documentation of sources. B. Address the diverse needs of all learners by using learner-centered strategies, providing equitable access to appropriate digital tools and resources. C. Promote and model digital adequate and responsible social interactions related to the use of technology and information. And D. Develop and model cultural understanding and global awareness by engaging with colleagues and other students of other cultures using digital age communication and collaboration tools. The question, how did your work in this course prepare you to promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility? The work in this course prepared me to promote and model digital citizenship and responsibility by teaching me the important issues that must be known to show the correct behavior in my professional practice. Here are 3 examples of how I become proficient in this standard. Number 1, assignments that require me to know what is right and wrong in a teacher/classroom setting. 2, coaching and disciplining my athletes. Number 3, weekly discussion posts viewing other students' opinions. Moving on to the last standard, engage in professional growth and leadership. Teachers engage and improve their professional practice by studying, learning, and exhibit leadership in their school and professional community by promoting and demonstrating the effective use of digital tools and resources. A. Participate in local and global learning communities to explore creative applications of teaching to improve student learning. B. Exhibit leadership by demonstrating a vision of technology infusion, participating in shared decision-making and community building, and developing the leadership and technology skills of others. C. Evaluate and reflect on current research and professional practice on a regular basis to make effective use of existing and emerging digital tools and resources in support of student learning. D. Contribute to the effectiveness, vitality, and self-renewal of the teaching profession and of their school and community. The question, how did your work in this course allow you to engage in professional growth and development? My work in this course allows me to engage in professional growth and leadership by expecting me to improve in my skills week by week. Each week I was expected to do better than my last and learn something new every week. The 3 examples of how I become proficient in this standard were 1. Editing and updating my Weebly website. 2. Receiving helpful remarks from my professor. And 3. Help and advice from other students. And those are the 5 standards for teachers.